Mr. President, according to some report, more than 1 million people are undernourished. Over 2 million suffer from the lack of essential vitamin and mineral in their food. More than 6 million children die every year for malnutrition or related disease. That is about half of the all preventable death. The majority of those suffering from hunger and malnutrition are jobless, landless people, mostly women and girls living in rural areas without access to productive resources. In fact, that about 10% of the most deaths are the result of armed conflict, natural catastrophe, or exceptional climate condition. The other are mostly victims of long-term chronic lack of access to adequate food. Mr. President, malnutrition is nothing new for many Indians. According to the International Food Policy Research Institute 2011 Global Hunger Index, the upshot of this perennial problem is that about 60 million children in India are underweight and malnutrition, while 21% of the population in general face the same. Unfortunately, this problem is unlikely to change anytime soon, with the recent introduction of National Food Security Bill threatening to continue market inefficiencies in food supply and extend the problem of malnutrition far into the future. The developmental persecution of this situation are dramatic, not only for individuals who suffer numerous health issues resulting from malnutrition, but also for the economy at large. Malnutrition results in a loss of productivity, indirect losses from impaired cognitive development, and losses from increased long-term healthcare costs. Mainly Northeast India are the worst sufferer of the situation of malnutrition. They do not own land being lost.